I'm going to conduct a little experiment. By the way, I'm Nathan, I run Cambridge Autogleam. This is a Carrera GT, I've been polishing it for the last few days, and a car like this usually gets a lot of likes on Instagram, Twitter, things like that. I saw a picture recently from another detailer. I'm not going to say who it was because I'm not going to embarrass them, but they posted a before and after picture showing paint correction, where the first picture the light was pointing directly at the paint, you could see all the swirl marks. The second photo they said, oh look how good it's coming on, and the light was pointing the other way. I'm just going to show you what the difference looks like, but first I'm going to take a couple of pictures, exactly the same as this guy did obviously, post them on Instagram and see how many likes they get. Right, first picture showing the swirl marks, paint looks pretty hideous. Now all I'm going to do is turn the light, no hours and hours of machine polishing, and let's take another, let's just angle it up a bit, there we go. Let's take another picture. Before and after, before, after, before, after. Actually exactly the same. So I'm going to post this video up, see how many likes it gets. Hopefully people are going to say in the comments, why is it not a direct shot afterwards? But it would just be interesting to see if people really see the difference between paint correction and just clever lighting. Because obviously you saw I did nothing to this, I didn't even wipe it. I just moved the light and all of a sudden it looks shinier. So if you follow other detailers and you see them doing this, call them out on it. Say to them, why aren't you showing us a before and after with the light in the same place? Is it because they haven't done the correction? Probably they have done, maybe they're just trying to make it a bit more arty, but at the end of the day we want to be able to show you, the potential customer, the actual work that is done by paint correction, how good it really is. So that's why I try and do all my photos with the light on a tripod and the camera in the same place. Anyway, 7:30, I'm going to do a bit more polishing on this car, post the photo up. I hope you like this video, hope you understand why I'm doing it. If you don't already follow me, have a look through my channel at the other videos I've done. I try and show a bit of behind the scenes of the cars I'm working on. I should have another video up by the weekend of the McLaren 720 that I did, and then obviously this video in due course. Porsche Carrera GT correction coming on well, a little update video on YouTube tonight, so keep your eyes peeled. Hashtag Porsche, hashtag Carrera GT, hashtag polishing experiment, hashtag did I even polish it? Share. Boom. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, at Cam's Autogleam. Right, I've just finished polishing it properly. The picture has been live for 50 minutes now. And well done, Polish Bliss. That after pic could still be swirled for all we know. It was. Right, let me take a proper photo and then I will show you what I've done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you understood what I was trying to show you. If you see one of these types of photos from another detailer where they're showing you a direct light shot before, then an after shot where the light's pointing at the wall or something else, be sure to put in the comments of their photo that they're not doing a good enough job of showing you the before and afters. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you can come back and see the end results of this car. I'll put it up in a future vlog. The subscription link should be here, and there should be a link here to one of my previous vlog videos. So thanks for watching and I'll hopefully see you again.